The floor is one of the most important parts of your dream home. Shining floor is an important thing that helps to enhance people's attraction towards the floor of your dream home when they enter into your home and make yourself proud of the quality of your dream home. But if you want to maintain this glossy shine of your floor, floor protection is very important to maintain your floor along with the finished floor guard. Nowadays, our Protect company's finished floor guard is at the top position in the list of production of floor protection. If you want to protect the floor as well as stairs of your dream home, you should use the top quality finished floor guard product of our company. Because this product gives ideal protection to the hardwood floors along with wood stairs, countertops, marble, granite, and tile. Nowadays, finished floor guard becomes one of the best choices to protect your floor from any kind of hazards like paint pills and scratches without using tape and many others. It acts as a protective barrier on the stairs as well as on the floors to protect your floor from foot traffic up to 60 days. This floor guard is mainly designed to take the high traffic loads of any areas. This is very useful for not only the surface of your home's floor but also for surfaces where high traffic loads take place. Breathable and durable are the two most significant qualities that help to increase its popularity among the people. It can easily be reused. So, this quality helps to increase its demand among people day by day. The installation process of the finished floor guard is very easy. Step 1, you have to cut the finished floor guard according to your floor size. Step 2, you have to place it upon the floor or upon the stairs or upon both of them and press it continuously. Step 3, when it totally settles down upon the surface of the floor, you are ready to go upon it. A light adhesive that spread on the bottom of this finished floor guard is the main cause behind the clinginess between the floor and the floor guard. It has also an advantage like this floor guard reduces the usage of tape for floor protection and makes your floor brighter and shinier than the previous ones. The reason behind the breathable quality of this floor guard is the fabric, which is very soft in nature and thus makes a way to escape the air. The top surface of the finished floor guard is made with plastic so that the water could not stay upon it. As a result, you are free from spills. It is now very popular as a good hardwood stair protector and lots of consumers are using this product at the present time, to protect their tiles, smooth surfaces, and marbles and countertops.